Hello everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a few updates of what's been happening. I did put out an updated engineer's bulletin on my community section with some changes and some things. I know there was supposed to be a premiere this weekend, but due to some unfortunate circumstances I've had to take care of today, that is being pushed back to this coming weekend. I do have some scheduled releases in the lineup, two of which were released this morning. And I had a couple of videos released at the end of last week, so definitely give those a look. Excuse me. I have a few more that are coming out different times during the week, and that will lead us up to the premiere, which is coming up this weekend. Um, Another couple of things real quick. On my second Instagram account, Southeast Rails just broke over 500 followers. Thank you guys for the love. I appreciate it. And also my TikTok has really gone up. I broke 1,200 followers overnight, and now I'm ready to break 1,300 followers. So thank you guys so much for the love on that. I greatly appreciate it. That's the newest social media platform that I have, and that has become a very, very good success over the past 6 to 8 months. I got one at the end of last summer, and that has been nothing but just success, success, success. So, very, very happy with that. As a matter of fact, I've been using that a whole lot with sneak peeks of what's happening and also some of the stuff I'm able to catch before you see it on YouTube. So, if you would like to get some sneak peeks of what's happening, you definitely go on my TikTok. It's Engineer Pat 5290. You just go up there and take a look and see what's out there and things like that before you get to see it on the premiere. So TikTok is my little platform where I kind of give sneak peeks of what I've seen and what I'm also working on in the studios of what's getting ready to come out. So definitely something you really want to take a look at if you haven't followed me yet on TikTok. So I do greatly appreciate the love up there. Thank you to those who continue to be supporting all of my social media platforms out there. So many of them: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So very, very happy with this, guys. So I just want to take this time to say thank y'all very much for all the support recently on all the social media platforms. It has been wonderful, and your support is greatly appreciated, not only to me, but for the future of this channel and also my railfan career. Um, Also, March's Q&A prompt is out. I did mention that in my updated news bulletin. That is open for questions. I'll remember to put a link in the description for that, or I may even just go ahead and just add it to the subtitles as well. So that will be up there. Uh, so yeah, definitely something you guys want to take a look at. I'm also trying to get back on the Southern at some point when the weather warms up a little bit. Also, want to try to make a return to the CSX-A line. I've mentioned that in several of my newsletters. Uh, I'll be going to probably a couple of new locations in between. I just haven't decided which ones. So, uh, yes, I will be definitely taking a look at the CSX-A line at some point since the clock sprung forward an hour. I'm actually able to stay out a little bit longer, so which is going to be great. Uh, so that's something I'll be definitely looking at in for hopefully the next few weeks. I'm going to try to get my best to get out there and spend a little bit of time on the A line that I haven't done in 2 years. So that's going to be something that's going to be really looking forward to having a good time there. So hopefully I'll be able to do that here real soon. So guys, anyway, that's what I've got right now. There's a lot of updates right now. Just scheduled releases are coming out, as well as some of the stuff that's upcoming, as well as working in the studio. Spring Along Tidewater Rails Part 1, that is in the process of being edited. That is off to a very good start as I'm continuing to add some stuff and put final touches in some of the other areas. That will probably be a two-volume series. So that's going to be pretty darn good. So I'm really excited about that, as well as when the weather's starting to warm up a little bit. I will definitely try my best to be out by the rails a little bit more. So anyway, guys, that about wraps up this video. I know it's a lot of updates, but there's a lot of stuff getting ready to happen. So just remember, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, guys, and may God bless.